You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Yes, this is going to be a good one. Very confusing, kind of confusing one, isn't it? Let's clarify how this is pronounced. If you want to learn more pronunciations, including from French, stay tuned. You found the right channel. So there are at least three pronunciations that are correct in English. This comes from French, revanchiste. Okay, in English, most common pronunciations are revanchist. Okay, British English revanchist, or American English revanchist. All right, with a ch sound. Now, there's a third pronunciation, which I believe is probably more American English, revanchist, revanchist, which make it sounds more like the French pronunciation, which has the CH pronounced more like SH, okay? Revanchist. So, revanchist is correct, but the other two are also correct and probably more common in English, revanchist. All right? Is that clear? Let me know in the comments, but at least now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.